included and that they belong. So we chose to do a song, a very old song, by the way, a Woody Guthrie song called This Land Is Your Land, because this land really is all of our land, no matter what your affiliation, no matter what your thoughts are, it belongs to all of us. And so for today, at least, if you would like to join in with us in singing this song, we'd love to have you join, if you know the words.